Hi and welcome to Type with Me. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can use TypeScript with Visual Studio Code. So here we are in a fresh Visual Studio Code. So first of all we need to install TypeScript globally, right? So we can do that with npm install-g TypeScript. TypeScript comes with certain tools. One of the tools is tsc, and then we can say --version to see which version of TypeScript is being installed. You can do the same with help. This will show you the right help and the right parameters that you can use with tsc, so TypeScript compiler. Typically the next thing that you want to do is create a tsconfig.json file. In this file we can provide certain parameters and certain settings for your TypeScript project, right? So we'll do that with the following settings. So we have here compiler options ECMAScript 5. We say that our module type is CommonJS, and we say that we have a source map, or that we want to have a source map. So the next thing that we want to do is start writing our code. So we create an index.ts file and we paste the following code. So we have here a class startup with a static method main, and we have here console log hello world, and then we call startup.main, right? So the next thing that we can do now is typing in here tsc index.ts. And this will generate our index.js file, right? So you will see that he created a JavaScript file and he translated our index.ts into plain ECMAScript 5 JavaScript, because that's our target, ECMAScript 5, right? Awesome. Now when we do node index we get hello world. That's great, right? Awesome. So another great way to do this is to go to tasks, run build task, and then choose for tsc build tsconfig.json. And this will build our index.ts file and generates an index.js file. That's nice, right? We can also configure it as a default build task. So we can go to tasks in the menu and then choose configure default build task. And here we choose this one. And now we get a tasks.json in our Visual Studio Code folder. So with Command Shift B, we can run our default task. So now we have an index.js and an index.js.map. When we type node index, we get our hello world again. So imagine that we put a typo here. You will see that our file is red. We have one problem here with the explanation why it's a problem. And of course, when we do Command Shift B, we will get also an error from our TypeScript compiler. This gives you already a nice overview of the features that you have within Visual Studio Code with TypeScript. Thank you for watching.